That GPT revolutionized, and look at
For sure.
how quickly it got adopted by hundreds and millions of, and it's wreaking havoc in universities right now.
Yeah. I mean, it's
In
making
law
revolution.
practices, it's that genie is not getting put back in the bottle.
No. It's too late. And I mean, but we knew it. We knew it. We had it in front of us for so many years. We knew it. Okay, it's coming. It's coming, but we didn't do anything about it. We didn't maybe spend so much. When I say we, security people and everyone within it who were interested in AI, we didn't maybe take action to it. We were kind of like, okay, it will come one day. Then just overnight, boom, we were sitting there, and okay, someone put out the genie from the bottle, and now we're there. We can't put it back. But we didn't really prepare for the future. And I mean, this is not the last time the next day will come, or the future will come and knock on the door. I think that we should spend more time on just trying to forecast, okay, what is in there in the future.
Well, you remember, there's an old saying, and I forget who it's attributed to, but those who don't learn the lessons from history are doomed to repeat
Yes.
mistakes, right?
History was one of my worst courses when I were in school. But I heard this one, but I don't know who said it.
I don't know who said it, but that's in fact what's happening right now, right?
Yeah. And I mean, one of my colleagues who I was speaking about this subject with, he said, yeah, but it will be like this forever. His take on it was, because we're humans, and as you said here,
human nature doesn't change.
History doesn't change. No. And as you said here, Manoj, we are driven from an opportunity perspective as well. If there is something that can put us aside from our competitors or enable business, of course we'll take that one. We will take risk. And at the same time, we maybe can't contemplate every negative risk, but I would say we could contemplate the future a little bit more, at least. Try to look in front of us, because we know the stuff that is coming. And we have never been better equipped than now, with the help of AI, of course, but the help of all the collected knowledge out there. Podcasts, as you are running here, I mean, where smart people share great info. The info is out there. I mean, we have so much more info and so much data, so we could be better prepared. I don't have a solution for it, but I think it's interesting that we have never been better equipped. But maybe this is an effect of the speed of the landscape. Everything goes so fast. We don't have time to absorb. We don't have time to contemplate, to sit down and think about, okay, what is happening? What will this mean for human mankind, or for my organization, or whatever?